Take off the Velcro. Install the polishing pad. Footsteps on the pedal to place the machine gently on the ground. Pull the handle adjustment lever to level the handle. Pull out the pull ring to adjust the handle to the right position. Put down the additional weight that on both sides. Put on the plug to connect the outside power. Push up the air switch to check if the drive setting in right position. Drive charging socket. LED light switch. Turn on the power lock. Drive power battery display screen. Pull the emergency stop switch. Turn on the start switch. Adjust the grinding speed. Machine start to grind. Press the forward button. Adjust the work speed. Machine walk forward grinding. Turn the handle to the left. Machine grinding for left. Push the handle to the right lightly. Machine grinding for right. Press the back switch. Adjust the work speed a little. Machine start grinding toward back. To stop the machine, recover or switch to original position. Press the urgent stop. Take off the power key.